Chinese. Oh guys, oh yeah. Hindi pala Tagalog ng stop ang hopya. Chinese pala yun. Naman. Okay. Balikan ko lang guys para makuha.
Diba? Atras. Hopya.
Okay. Any good key-lock position, any good key-lock submission requires a lock. The lock for a shoulder lock is this. So kailangan may pressure ako dyan. Nandito lahat ng bigat ko. So kung Amerikana man ang gagawin ko, bago ko kunin yung kamay, nakalock yung katawan ko. Tatig naman, minimal effort lang. Yan lang oh. Okay? So kung kinura man yan, yan lang, ito yung sinasabi ko, imagine na 90 degree. When I'm doing this, lalong nalalak, nakababa yung base ko. Nakakat siya, nahihap yung pasok ko kamay dahil nakasuot ko. Pasok sa ilalim. Grab. Now look, this is not square, this is a diamond. Do your best. Wala ka na, hindi ka na flexible brand. Okay? Angat na, balikat. So his defense in this position is he's gonna grab his leg. Okay, hindi ko na maiangat. But since nasa side ka, ano ginawa natin? Pasok ko sa ilalim. Make sure you're still pinching. Angat ha. Pag inangat ko, hindi ko ilalayo. Naka-pinch ko ng mukha niya. Step over. Talagang upo. Okay? Akuha pa rin yan. At since
Upo sa fez.
Talaga, upo sa fez. Okay? Now look, kung kailangan mo itaas yung kamay
Are you
na,
ready, Cha?
okay lang kasi nakababa kayo. Grab. Grab. Diwa. 90 degrees same principle. Parang puso kung nasa ng thumb. Yun siya. Okay? At kung nag-defense TJ dito, ginawa natin, hindi ko na mapihit. Huwag na kamay. Ikot lang. Hihiga ako, kuha ko ng armor but to this direction, preventing him from grabbing on his legs. Okay? Kapit. Ba, hindi ka na ka-flexible. Magpakayo ka na. Gets? Lahat ng atake na nangyari has a position. Before the submission has a good position. Position here. Alright? A good side mount has to be on the side. Right? A good key lock has to have a lock. Which is two. Diba? Key lock nga eh. Kailangan may lock. This is you lock. Hindi. Okay? Alright. Thank you guys. Sige. Gusto ko na. MMA na